Hey YouTubers, more Robb of it. Guys, here's something I make not every day, but I would say like 4 or 5 times a week. This is just going to be something. It's not a tortilla, and it's not, I don't know what to call it, but it's not pizza, but it has some ingredients that are similar to both. But it's very inexpensive, very simple, quick, easy to make. This was the Tunce tomato sauce you can get for like 99 cents. The meatballs, you get a big bag of them, a couple of pounds for like $7 at Walmart. And the ingredients are pretty decent. And then we're going to put on the beans. You think, holy cow. Oh man, you're putting beans on this. Like I said, it's part pizza and it's part tortilla. And the mushrooms are one of the main ingredients. In fact, if you don't have the mushrooms, I don't know if I would make this, because it just adds so much flavor and texture. And this is supposed to be really good for your brains. So I bought cases. Now, the next part is going to be some cheese. This is mild cheddar, but there's like 10 different cheeses you can use. It'll be just as good, if not better. Now we're going to use a lot of spices, some parsley flakes, and then some Italian seasoning. And Mr. Garlic. I don't add garlic if I don't add parsley. Or I should say I don't add parsley if I don't add garlic. Now we're going to microwave this for 2.5 minutes, and then we're going to forget about it for like 10 minutes to let it cool down. Okay, it's been out of the microwave for about 20 minutes. It's cooled off a little bit, and we've got a nice cheesy, tomatoey. It's not stiff, but it's not super soft. Cheese is sticking to the plate. So it's very appetizing. It has a nice flavor, and it's got a little bit of meat with the 2 meatballs cut in half. 2 meatballs is like 1/3 of a meat serving. According to the bag, 6 meatballs is 1 serving. So you're only using like 1/3 of a serving of meat with the tomatoes, cheese, mushroom, and spices. It's a very nice tasting meal. It hits the spot. So that's something I have, not every day, but at least 4 or 5 times a week. Inexpensive too. All right guys, take care. See you out there.